Hi everyone and welcome to my channel, Simply Maggie. Today I am going to be sharing a little hand crochet project or finger crochet. Some people call it finger crochet or hand crochet. Either one is fine, but today I'm going to be showing you how to crochet a heart, a chunky heart with yarn without any tools needed. So you're just going to need some yarn and no crochet hooks, no knitting needles, nothing like that. We're just going to use our fingers. I really hope you enjoy this tutorial. It is super easy and quick. I don't know, I think they're just the cutest little quick DIY project. Anyway, let's get right into how we are going to make these hearts and what materials that we are going to need. You can also use super bulky yarn if you want, but it would have to be multiple strands at one time. The yarn that I'm going to be using today is this Stitch Studio by Nicole Supreme. It is a jumbo number 7 yarn, and I have one already open here. So the first thing that we're going to do is make a slip knot. So you want to drape the yarn over your hand, insert all your fingers, turn the loop away from you, grab the working yarn, which is the yarn that is attached to the skein. Grab that and just pull it through. That creates a slip knot, and you don't want it to be too big, so tighten that up a little bit. And now what we're going to do is make a chain of 4. So you want to grab the working yarn, so just grab that, pull it through to make chain 1. Again, chain 2, chain 3, and chain 4. Okay. Now what we're going to do is make 3 treble crochet into the first chain that we made down here. So insert your fingers, just these 2, and you're going to yarn over 2 times. So 1 yarn over, that makes 2 loops on your fingers, then move it up, yarn over again, so that's yarn over 2 times. And then I'm using this finger over here to kind of help me hold the working yarn in place. So now we're going to use our index finger, insert it into that first chain there, grab the working yarn and pull it through and up, and put that loop on your finger. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4 loops on your fingers. Now I'm going to insert my thumb into the first 2 loops on my fingers, grab the working yarn and pull it through those 2. Now you have 3 loops on your fingers. Do that again, insert your thumb, pull the working yarn through 2 more, and then again pull the working yarn through 2 more. So that was 1 treble crochet into the first chain, and now we're going to do that 2 more times. So yarn over twice, and then you're going to insert your finger into the first chain, grab the working yarn and pull it up and onto your fingers. Okay, so now you have 4 loops on your fingers again. Insert your thumb into the first 2, grab the working yarn, pull it through, insert your thumb into the first 2, grab the working yarn and pull it through 2 again. And then 1 more time, grab the working yarn, pull through 2 more. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and do my next treble crochet. So I've completed all 3 treble crochet, and then the next thing that you're going to do is chain 1. So insert all of your fingers, or your 3 fingers that we're using, grab the working yarn, pull it through for a chain 1. The next thing that you want to do is 3 double crochet into that first chain. We're going to be working all of our stitches into the first chain here throughout the entire pattern. So for a double crochet, you yarn over once, then you're going to insert your index finger into that first chain, pull up the working yarn. So now you have 3 loops on your fingers. You're going to insert your thumb into the first 2, pull the working yarn through 2, and again, insert your thumb, pull the working yarn through 2. So that was 1 double crochet. We're going to do that 2 more times. So yarn over once, working yarn through the first chain, pull the working yarn through 2 loops on your fingers, pull the working yarn through 2 loops on your fingers. One more time, yarn over. Okay, so that was 3 double crochet, and now you want to chain 1. So pull the working yarn through for chain 1. Now what you're going to do is 1 treble crochet into that first chain. So remember, with treble crochet, it's yarn over once, yarn over twice, and then insert your index finger into the first chain, pull up the working yarn to make 4 loops on your fingers. Insert your thumb, pull the working yarn through 2, pull the working yarn through 2 more, and 1 more time. And I don't know if you can kind of see that, it's upside down, but we just created the bottom point of our heart. So we worked 1 full side, and now we're going to work on the other side. So the next thing you want to do is chain 1. And now we're going to work 3 double crochet into the first chain. So with double crochet, remember, is 1 yarn over, go through that first chain, pull up the working yarn, pull through 2 loops on your fingers, and pull through 2 loops on your fingers again. We're going to do that again with a yarn over, 3 loops on your fingers, pull through 2, and pull through 2. Okay, and on to the last double crochet. Pull the working yarn up, pull the yarn through 2 loops, pull the yarn through 2 more loops, and that is 3 double crochet we just worked into the first chain. Okay, so now we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to work 3 treble crochet into that first chain. So yarn over twice, and then you're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and then you're going to do a slip stitch into the center. So you just grab the working yarn, pull it up, and then you just pull it right through. And then you're going to go ahead and cut the working yarn, and I'm going to cut it with a little bit of length so that I kind of cinch the center of my heart closed. So I'm going to pull that all the way through, and then I'm going to go to the back of the heart, and I'm just going to go through a few of these stitches around the center and kind of cinch it closed. So we'll start with this one here. Push it through. This one. Okay, so then you just pull on it as much as you can, and you see how it kind of cinched up the center? And I've only pulled my loop halfway through, so now I can go ahead, pull my tail all the way through, make a good knot, and then what you're going to do is go to the front, kind of shape it as needed. So you can go ahead and weave in these ends or just trim them up. You could also use one of the ends to hang it, so you can have it coming from the top there and you can hang it with that. But that is it, you guys. This is the finished product, finished piece. I think they're super cute, great for a nursery, any bedroom or a bathroom decor, or just, you know, center of a table for Valentine's Day decor. Yeah, that's it. Alright guys, that is it for today's tutorial. I hope you liked it. It is really easy, but if you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comment section and I'll do my best to help you and answer your questions. I do try to get back to everyone. And go ahead and click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of my future project videos. And yeah, I will see you in my next video. Bye!